Meet Miss Rosy, lives in Covina. Few days ago, her cell phone suddenly slipped down from her hand and the screen got shattered. She felt devastated and looking for the best cell phone repair shop near her. Meanwhile, one of her friends suggested her to visit iTech Xpress. Scrolling down the internet, she got to know that it is a certified cell phone repair shop in Covina, famous for offering factory-grade cell phone repair solutions. Their technicians offer free repair estimate after proper device diagnosis. She was glad to know that they have a great stock of genuine spare parts to make the screen replacement procedure faster. And the best part is that their cell phone repair service is very affordable compared to other local cell phone repair shop available in Covina. So, without wasting her time, she immediately visited there and got same-day repair service for her damaged phone. Are you looking for the same? Contact them now at 626-777-4747. For more information, visit https://ichexpressinc.com/.